Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a confined environment so dependencies do not leak. Create a venv and activate it. Install Python 3. 11 Plus and the framework you chose, for example Fast API for async speed or Flask for simplicity. Once done, scaffold routes, a basic app factory, and a requirements file. Make sure to initialize Git now and commit your working scaffold. This saves time and gives you a rollback point. You will iterate from this reproducible baseline. You now implement the core. Define your endpoints and data contracts, because clear contracts prevent rework. Connect an ORM like SQL Alchemy and create migrations with Alembic so schema changes are versioned. Once data is reliable, add caching with Redis and background processing via Celery or RQ to keep requests fast. Make sure to add authentication using JWT or OAuth2 and centralize config. Then write tests that exercise main flows. Automated tests catch regression. You finalize by containerizing the app and wiring up continuous integration so builds are repeatable. Push images to a registry and deploy with health checks. Once live, add structured logging, metrics, and alerts so you know when performance slips. Run load tests and configure graceful shutdowns to avoid losing requests. If something breaks, check the app logs and trace the request path. Correlate request ID across services to isolate the failing component quickly, then roll back if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.